Look out there. Out there is the perfect lap. No mistakes. Every gear change, every corner. Perfect. You see it?
I think so.
Most people can't. Most people don't even know it's out there, but it is. It's there.
So God said, "Let the earth sprout tender vegetation, plants yielding seed, and fruit trees bearing fruit according to, limited to, and consistent with their kind, whose seed is in them upon the earth." And it was so. Fear not, Abram. Do not fear. I am your shield. I will keep you safe. I will shield you from danger. And in me, your reward is great, abundantly, exceedingly great. Step out, Abram. Come on. Look out there. What do you see? Out there in the dark night sky is shining bright your promise. Look at the stars, Abram. Count them, can you? Of course. Thus shall your descendants be. Thus shall your descendants be. Many, protected, and great. Proof, Abram. You want proof? Bring me a young cow. I will make a blood covenant with you, and this blood will be the proof of my promise with you and your seed forever. Know this, Abram, your seed will be strangers in a foreign land, a land which they do not recognize. But I will remember my promise, and I will bring them out with great possessions and health. There will be none who is feeble among them. I will redeem them to a place of my promise, a place of health, wealth, and glory. For this is my covenant with you, Abram, forever. And if you are Christ's, then you are Abraham's seed, and therefore you are heir to the promise. You are heir to the covenant. Do you see it? Abraham's dead body produced life because the covenant worked it. Abraham was able to see beyond his own body, which was as good as dead. He was able to see his dead body produce life because of the promise. Isaac, Abraham's seed, he harvested 100-fold in the famine because the covenant worked it. He saw beyond the famine into the promise. Peter, he stepped out of the boat into the storm because he saw not the storm, but he saw the man of promise. The man was faithful, and as long as he kept his eyes on the man, he walked. Esther, she walked boldly into what would have otherwise been death if not for her seeing victory in her prayers. When Elisha's servant opened his eyes, he saw not just two against the army, but he saw fiery chariots standing guard. So now he saw victory against that army. David, when he stood before Goliath, he saw not just a big undefeatable giant, but he saw the God who brought victory for him with the lion and with the bear. So now Goliath was just standing there to be dead. What do you see? Have you forgotten your promise keeper? Have you become overwhelmed by the death around you? Lift up your eyes, my brother and sister, for his covenant lasts 1,000 generations. 1,000 may fall at your side, 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. For you are protected under the shadow of the Almighty. Under his wings is your protection, and for he is your refuge and your fortress, and he is your shield. Arise, for you are healed. You shall live and you shall not die. No weapon that is formed against you can prosper, for you are separated unto the promise. You are separated unto the covenant. For victory is yours, healing is yours, life is yours. Behold the blood of the promise. It stands and it bears proof for the promise, and he who promised is faithful, and he is fully able to perform. So, in the name of Jesus, be healed, be restored. The breath of God is in your lungs. Therefore, breathe. Son of Abraham, do not be afraid, for he is your shield and your exceeding great reward. He has kept you from danger, and he has rewarded you with life, and life more abundant. For the covenant works for you.
You see it?
I think so.
Most people can't. Most people don't even know it's out there, but it is. It's there.